What's up, everyone? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or Mac. First things first, head to the link in the description below. That link takes you directly to the official Adobe After Effects page, so you're downloading safely and securely. Once you're there, click Start Free Trial. Adobe will ask you to choose a plan. You'll see options for individual, business, or student/teacher. For this tutorial, we'll go with the business plan, which gives you full access to After Effects for 14 days, completely free. You can also check the box to try Adobe stock for 7 days, which includes 10 free premium assets you can keep forever. When you're ready, click Continue. Next, enter your email address and fill in your details, including payment info. But you won't be charged during the trial period as long as you cancel before it ends. After that, click Agree and Subscribe. And you'll be asked to set a secure password for your new Adobe account. Once your account is ready, Adobe will guide you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then sign in using the same email and password you just created. Inside Creative Cloud, open the Apps section, find After Effects and click Install. The download will start automatically, and when it's done, you're good to go. And that's it. You now have Adobe After Effects fully installed and running. You can start working on motion graphics, VFX, and animation projects right away during your free trial. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to use the link in the description to grab your free trial from Adobe's official site. It's the safest and easiest way to get started while supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.